Hello, one and all. Welcome back to DDM Drive. Been a while. Apologise for the lack of content, but you joined me
This Saturday
today.
and Sunday, essential engineering work is taking place
Essential
between
engineering
Bedford
work going on, so you know, just so you know.
International, closing various lines. Buses will replace trains between Corby and Kettering, Bedford and Luton. A shuttle train service will run between Luton and London St Pancras International. Please check your journey before travelling.
Did you get all that? So anyway, yes, you joined me today. I'm going to go and pick my Clio Williams up from Milton Keynes. It's been back to the body shop, so it's a year since it was painted. Gone back to the body shop just for some TLC, as I said in my previous video. It has been checked over. There's a couple of imperfections that they've sorted out, and it's had a ceramic coat. So you join me at Derby Station waiting for my train. Well, a couple of trains. I'm going to have to swap down to Milton Keynes. We'll go and have a look, see what we think, pick it up, and have a drive back. So, catch you soon. We're here. Go pick it up. Oh, we're here. Marriott Coachworks. Yeah. Let's have a look around, see what we've got. All sorts of BMWs and stuff. This is nice, isn't it? Has this been painted before then, or?
Yeah, we just got a few bits that we weren't quite happy with, just spraying up a few little areas.
It's your attention to detail that gets me.
Great black car, and it's probably one of the worst shells to start with. It had.
What is it? BMW E9, is it?
Yeah. It probably had about 9 months worth of metal work alone.
Really?
Not in good condition. You try and get that straight on the straight black. So there's always a few little adjustments and another car paint basically.
No, it's looking, yeah, nice. Old E-type?
Yeah. Other metal work on that one as well.
Crazy money again though, overall. There's that many different, I never know which E-type is the ones to have, you know, there's Mark 1s, 2s, 3s and all sorts, isn't there?
3 this one, so it's not the most valuable one, but he's got a resto mod in it.
Yeah.
There's a tuned up V12 in it.
Is that an XK 120?
140 that is.
It's 140?
Yeah, we've done loads of those. We've got, just finished the 150 actually, and then that's coming down as soon as the mail works.
Tell you what, high-end stuff, high-end cars, and that's the Masto. Yeah. The cheeky little Renault 5 back there. This is pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not nice.
Really? Well, they're quite rare, aren't they?
Yeah. Right, the right one goes there, make 2 on.
They only made what?
And make 2 right and drive, one of the right and drive.
Alright, cheers for showing me around. Better pay me bill, haven't I? Yes. Looking mega. So Dave's just showing me around. Done all the bits that were a bit funny over the past year. But it is looking mighty fine. I'll get it somewhere later and we'll have a proper look around in the sun. But I need to get moving back because I've got a 2-hour journey. like hot hatches of today or the hyper hatches of today, but I tell you what, thrashability and just smile factor, yeah, gotta love it. It is old school hot hatch, thrashable, chuckable car. Well, as you can probably tell, because of change of clothes, it is now a few days later since I picked the car up, and yeah, I thought I'd show you around, see what you think. It's a lovely day, amazing day. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it, really pleased with it. So yeah, it's a few bugs and stuff obviously squidged on it because obviously I've driven it back, but it is looking absolutely mint. See this, I mean, like, it's hard to tell obviously on camera, but there was an imperfection around here, and it's pretty much got, well, it has gone, and on the sills as well there was a bit. So now it's all been ceramic coated. Very pleased, very pleased. And there's a little bit of something down here, and I can't see anything now. Even knowing where approximately it was, I can't see anything now. So yeah, they've obviously had to take my Williams stickers off, and that's just because of when the machine polished and ceramic coated it. I did say just take them off, it's not a problem. But I must admit, the whole car is looking so nice. I mean, yeah, it's hard to pick over on camera, but yeah, it's a bit dusty because obviously I've used it. But yeah, I thought I'd show you around. Now it's all ceramic coated. Yeah, looking forward to get some new. I'm going to get those off Jason Mather. I don't know if anyone knows him, but he does some brilliant, like perfect, like they're almost genuine. They're that good at replicas. He's really gone to town to make them look OEM, how he packages them and everything. So I'm going to get some of them come with templates. Yeah. So anyway, that's the car. Now I thought, being as the weather's so nice, as I previously mentioned in my other video, I have got some ridiculously expensive Sill stickers. In fact, there they are, man. So yeah, Sill stickers that go on the side, along here, very expensive. Watch my previous video and I'll explain that they were just like crazy money. There's one of them in the packet. New old stock, says Williams on it, embossed in. So yeah, let's have a go at, you know, start lining them up. So I've removed one of them from the packaging. Yeah, hard to do it with the cameras in my hand. And yeah, somebody put some measurements up online, so I'm going to have a look at those. Try and work out exactly where I need to go. And then yeah, I'm just gonna have to go for it. £110 each. Not looking forward to it. Oh, gotta be done. Right, I've lined it all up. I've just taken a bit of the tape off just to see. It is pretty sticky. So, looking at all the photos, I can see it lines up along that bottom edge there, along that crease, all the way along there, and then it just lips up onto the side. Now I am thinking I may go and get some water, do the water method like I do with my radio controlled cars, or do I just go full send and bash £110 worth of sticker on like a mofo? What to do? Might just go full send. Yeah, full send. Well, I didn't enjoy that one bit, but I'll be honest, that's stuck on nice as that. Yeah, I did not enjoy that one bit. Yeah, one down, one to go. Not my favourite part. Don't mind putting these on because they're just a bit smaller, but that's a bit different. So anyway, I'll crack on with the other one and call it a day, I think. Glad that's over. Here's the passenger one on. Just going to run over with the hairdryer just to heat it up, just to force any little air bubbles out, but there's hardly anything. In fact, I'm pretty pleased at that. Didn't enjoy that. So anyone that's got those to fit, I wish you the best of luck. It wasn't too bad, but it's not like putting a 50p sticker on. So yeah, anyway, I've got a few more bits to do, but I will do another video very soon. I'll call it a day on this one. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and I will catch you on the next one. Anyway, before I go, please do like and subscribe. I will be doing a lot more content on the Williams. I've got the door pillar stickers to put on, and then got some new Williams decals to put on, but I've yet to do those, and I am going to swap it onto the standard wheels, just for a bit. So anyway, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.